Ayun, sobrang worth it.
May nagsasalita. Ano tayong multo dito sa...
40 pesos.
Tuntua. You'll see why. Good night.
What's up, travelers?
We're your favorite travel guides. I'm Eka.
And I'm Tony, and today we are here in Manila, Philippines.
Tara! Sabay-sabay tayong gumala!
Let's go!
Hey, so this is the room. Pagpasok sa entrance, to the left side, merong full-length mirror. And then, nandyan na rin yung, it's an open shelf para sa clothes, sa bag, sa luggage nyo. And then, you have to leave the keycard para magka-kuryente. Simulan na natin ang bathroom tour. Sa left side ng pag-enter, nandun na yung bathroom. They have naman soap, may dental kits, there's a hair dryer, towels, and may bidet. Good job. Lagi na hinahanap talaga ang bidet, no? We have here the towels. And there's a shampoo, conditioner, and body wash. Balitaan na lang namin kayo kung malakas ang pressure ng shower. So, ito yung beds. This is a twin deluxe room. May dalawa kang single beds. Bawat bed merong side table. Although, dito sa unang bed, there's a light switch at saka meron na ring socket. And may control ng light for this lamp. There's a TV, pero hindi siya smart TV, naka-cable siya. You have here your safety deposit box and your mini fridge na walang laman. So, yan. Walang socket sa kabilang side ng bed. Here are the beds. And there's a couch by the beds. Tingnan natin ang view. Uy, ang liwanag. Oh, we have a view of Macapagal Highway. So, kita dito ang Ayala Malls by the Bay, particularly Landmark. And I can see Parkal Mall. And, kita yung dagat. So, kita yung Manila Bay. Fairness, very nice yung view niya. And on this corner, meron siyang working table. There's a phone here if you need to call front desk. There's a kettle. May dalawang sockets para pwede kayo mag-plug ng mga gadgets niyo or your laptop if you're working. Light switch for this lamp. And meron mga cups and glasses and water for you guys. Scan the QR code too if you want to order room service. And that's our room here at Sequoia Hotel. Let's go, Tony, na nagtatago.
Dana.
Yes, danang room tour. Pwede ka nang lumabas. Meron silang mga ballroom and function rooms here. We're here at the 6th floor to check out the swimming pool. Ayun. So, they have here a small pool. Nakalagay 4 feet. No diving. Ayan. And ayan, I guess pwedeng tumambay-tambay dito, chill. There's a swing. Pero open air siya. Malamang. Yeah.
4 feet, pero medyo malabo yung tubig.
Medyo malabo lang yung tubig from our view. So, sabi dito, 4 feet yung swimming pool. And there's no lifeguard on duty. You have to swim at your own risk. You have to shower before entering the pool. From this angle, kita din yung view ng LRT, although walang dumadaan ngayon. Baka matimingan natin mamaya. That's City of Dreams. That's Ayala Malls by the Bay. Actually, pwede siyang lakarin kung hindi mainit. Mainit. And then Parkal Mall is over there on the other side. Actually, convenient yung location ng Sequoia Hotel. Seate Hotel, hindi ko alam kung saan located. Sequoia lang ang alam ko. Hey, let's go. Let's go to Ayala Malls by the Bay.
Hello, mga chabibis!
So we're here now at Ayala Malls by the Bay. Kakain kami sa Recipes. It's one of my favorites ever since nag-work ako sa Makati.
Sa corporate. Mga in-order namin, General's Chicken, gising-gising, and steamed rice.
So you may ask, taga Manila naman kami. Bakit kami nagbo-vlog sa Manila?
Para i-showcase yung mga tourist spot here in Metro Manila. So kung sakaling galing kayo ng provinces, saan kayo magstay, anong pwede nyong puntahan, anong pwede nyong kainan. Kaya kami nag-decide na mag-vlog about Metro Manila.
Tsaka hello, ang ganda ng Manila, di ba?
Tama.
Plus, ang passport kasi namin nasa Korean Embassy.
Yes, kaya, di ba, wala kaming magawa.
Hindi kami makalis ng bansa. So for this trip in Manila, madami kaming gagawin. There's a lot in store for you guys. We're going to Intramuros, Desert Museum,
Manila Ocean Park.
yes, and then National Museum.
Then, Binondo Food Crow.
Yes, so abangan nyo yan dito sa vlog na to.
Tara, tsabay-tsabay tayong gumala.
Let's go! So here's our combo meal here in Recipes that we always order. This is General's Chicken. And this is Gising Gising. Let's eat. Nag-order din kami ng rice and Coke Zero. We'll tell you later how much. So, ito yung menu ng Recipes. They have 3 sizes for their food. There's regular size or RS, good for 2 persons. FS is family size, good for 3 to 4. And then party tray or PT, it's good for 6 people and above. So, yan. Meron silang mga vegetables, beef, pork, chicken. Favorite ko talaga yung General's Chicken. It's also their best seller. Tapos, seafood. They also have mga noodles, soup like sinigang, or sotanghon, and then may mga spring rolls, ganun. They have set meals, drinks, and dessert. Recipe. Hi, we're done eating. Yung kinain namin here for the gising-gising General's Chicken. Tapos yung rice, medyo madami pala siya. So, tinake out namin. And we got pancit bihon for take out so that we can eat it later. Our bill is 1,291.07. Ano ba may 07 pa? So, yeah, that was our total bill for everything we ate. Sobrang sulit niya. And really yummy. Medyo na-miss ko din to. I think last time we ate at Recipes was 2 years ago. We're gonna try the Japanese fluffy pancakes here at Egg House. Okay, let's try the fluffy pancake.
And there's Spanish latte.
Ooh, that looks good and fluffy. Do the honors. That's one really good pancake. Super yummy.
Super yummy.
So this pancake is definitely
So,
chabangan. So the pancake na Biscoff is for 220 pesos. And yung Spanish latte ni Tony,
160 pesos.
so total of
380 pesos.
galing sa math. Hindi na ako nagkape kasi baka hindi ako makatulog. Mas kaya ni Tony matulog kahit nagkakape.
Wala nang
Effect.
sa akin yung effect.
Ay, na-effect sa akin. Sa akin kasi meron pa eh. Baka mahirapan ako matulog tonight. So, we'll just enjoy our fluffy pancakes. Later.
Kain tayo.
A disclaimer lang ha. From recipes, nag-own days pa kami. Nagpagawa ako ng eyeglasses. So, medyo mahaba naman yung time bago kami nag-pancake. So, we're back at the hotel. Pero ngayon, pababa kami to buy water. Alam nyo ba?
Kaliwa, may Uncle John's. Sa kanan, may 7-Eleven.
Yes. So, very convenient talaga tong hotel na to.
Nakalimutan namin check kung nakasaksak yung fridge. So ngayon, yung tubig namin di malamig.
Oo. Ngayon pa lang siya lalamig. Pero, baba muna kami to 7-Eleven. Let's go. So, ayan. Ang convenience store of choice ni Tony ay 7-Eleven. So, sa kabilang side, yung Uncle John na tinawag kong Papa John's. Kung masipag kayo maglakad, may McDonald's right there. Yung 7-Eleven dito may ATM. Kailangan nyo mag-withdraw. Pwede dyan. We got our water. Pabalik na kami sa hotel.
Yes.
Ang daming nagja-jogging around.
Init.
Pero sobrang init.
Ano ba 32 degrees gabi na? Anything above 30 is mainit.
Yeah. Pabalik na tayo sa aircon. Let's go!
We're back at the hotel. So bukas itutuloy natin ang gala.
Yeah, so we had a good day. Sarap na mga kinain namin. Tomorrow maaga pa kami, so we need to rest now. Good night!
Good night!
Good morning from Manila.
So ngayon, mag-breakfast kami. Medyo maaga kami. Kasi meron kaming walking tour sa Intramuros.
Yes, excited for it.
Good morning, welcome.
Thank you. Good morning. Oh, breakfast at the hotel. Oh, they have lugaw, chicken mami, rice, pancit and egg. They have gisadong sitaw and roast herb pumpkin. Oh, sun-dried fish, chicken adobo, skinless longganisa, beef patty. They also have cereals. Here they have desserts. So, since we're a bit early, nag-coffee muna kami dito sa Beanleaf. We got an iced vanilla latte for 240 pesos. It's 22 ounces. We're going to the entrance of Fort Santiago. Doon yung meet-up ni Flock.
Good morning from Manila, Philippines!
So, we're here now in Intramuros at Fort Santiago and join kami ng Clock tour.
Clock tour. So,
Clock tour. Meet lang namin yung aming tour guide here. Ayan, parang ito. Okay, so we're a bit early. Naghihintay pa kami ng kasama sa tour. So in the meantime, dito daw muna kami. But nakita na namin yung tour guide namin.
feeling turista kami sa sariling bansa. Nakakakilig.
So may mga kainan pa ditong iba. May halo-halo. Ayan. And some souvenir shops there. Pero sarado pa yung isa eh. May gift shop. It's so nice here. Start na kami ng tour. It started on time. Very good.
Excited ako.
And I'm your tour guide for today. This was occupied or inhabited. This area was inhabited by Muslim people before. Spanish arrived here in 1571.
Nga siya, baby, sobrang cool ng tour na to. Hindi ko na-expect na ganito. I mean, para akong naging foreigner sa sariling, natin, sa sariling bansa.
True.
Diba? Sobrang cool, na-amaze ako.
Tsaka sobrang informative nung tour guide na may mga natututunan ka na hindi mo natutunan sa history books nyo dati.
Although, tinakal to nung before sa history class nung high school, syempre, iba yung nandito ka talaga.
Sobrang cool talaga.
Pati ako.
Kasi na-amaze kami sa mga stories of our history.
Tuloy natin ang tour.
So we're about to enter Fort Santiago. Sobrang ganda talaga guys. I can't stop saying it because I'm so amazed na kahit taga dito na tayo, madami pa rin tayong matututunan. This is such a good tour.
1, 2, 3. Okay. Phone assist.
Thank you.
Fort Santiago, we'll go this way.
So we're gonna go inside Fort Santiago.
Born there in 1861.
And there's a coffee shop inside. Papakape. But we're not gonna go there because we're going inside this area. It's Mi Ultimo Adios written in different languages. Sobrang cool na merong history fortress made by Lego blocks. Ayan. So different structures in Manila built with Legos. So cool. So dito sa Fort Santiago, they call this the White Cross because this is a mass grave for the casualties of war. So both Filipino and American soldiers. And the bodies were actually found here in the dungeons. Yung tour mates namin bumaba, hindi kami sumama because we're claustrophobic. That's Pasig River. Medyo mainit guys, but sobrang informative and sobrang saya nung tour. So just come prepared, tinan nyo kami.
We have a fan, payong, and water.
Yeah, so
Para maubos na yung tubig namin.
so mag-ano na lang kayo, mag-hydrate the whole time kasi outdoor siya eh, so mainit siya. Although may mga stop like the last one na hinintuan namin yung may Lego, meron siyang aircon. Pero saglit lang kami doon. Come prepared. We're entering here, but unfortunately we're not allowed to take videos here, so later. So if you do this DIY, meron ditong information center where you can get a map, get instruction. Yung advantage dun sa tour if you book it is merong nagkukwento sa inyo ng mga backstories, yung mga wala sa history books natin about our history. Pero yung disadvantage niya is
Hindi ka makakatigil kung kailan mo gusto. Kasi kailangan mo siyang sundan, so may oras. Yung mga places, so ayun yung disadvantage. So kahit gusto mo kumain or gusto mo magpahinga muna, hindi pwede kasi iiwan kayo.
pero meron namang 10-minute break after ng ikot sa Fort Santiago. And then we'll continue, I believe, outside Fort Santiago na. So meron pa kaming 2 hours kasi this is a 3-hour walking tour. Meron ditong merkato. We're now here at San Agustin Church. So we're entering Casa Manila. So we'll have lunch here at Barbara's. So we chose the buffet kasi may kasamang cultural show. So ang daming options. Paella.
Doon na kami mag-lunch and yung walking tour, sobrang worth it.
Yung walking tour namin, 3 hours from 9 a.m. It ended at 12. Pero sobrang sulit niya kasi ang daming sinabi yung tour guide namin, si Jonathan. Hi, Jonathan.
Jonathan.
Ang dami niyang sinabi na kwento na hindi mo mababasa sa mga history books mo.
Yes. So, iba pala pag nandun ka na mismo sa lugar ng pinangyarihan, kung saan in-assassinate si Rizal, kung saan siya nakakulong or nakapiit. So, as in, sobrang worth it yung tour na to.
So, nakuha namin yung tour sa Klook.
Ting! If you want to get discount, you can use our promo code.
Shop Explorers Klook.
So, ayun.
Tapos, yung tour ended at, so it started at Fort Santiago, dun din kami nag-park, and it ended at Casa Manila, kung nasan yung Barbara's. We planned to have lunch talaga at Barbara's. Now, when we got there, may 2 options pala. Pwede ka mag-a la carte or pwede ka mag-buffet. The buffet is a bit pricey, but sabi nung host, meron daw kasing may kasamang cultural show for almost an hour yung cultural show. So we decided to take that. At saka kasi, para matry din namin yung mas maraming dishes. And guys, it's super duper worth it.
Yes, and yung Filipino food sobrang na-elevate. As in, lahat ng Filipino cuisine like kare-kare, lechon kawali,
Caldereta.
dinuguan, caldereta, kalyos, lahat masarap.
Sobra. Even the desserts, palitaw, turon, leche flan.
Cassava.
Sobrang sarap lahat ng kinain
Yes.
namin.
So, sobrang worth it. And ang gagaling ng mga performances ng mga Filipino folk dance.
Sobra. Yung cultural show, as in, I got teary-eyed nang naiisip ko, pinapanood ko sila, sabi ko, ang ganda ng culture ng Pilipinas.
And ready ang Philippine tourism natin sa mga foreigners. Go, go, go!
Yes. And hindi nakakahiya na iikot
Yes.
ang mga turista sa Pilipinas. Bring them to Intramuros, bring them to Casa Manila, pakainin nyo yung sa Barbara's, yung mga balikbayan nyo, yung mga foreigners na kaibigan nyo, mga clients nyo sa mga office nyo, because sobrang ganda ng culture ng Philippines.
Yes, actually kami lang yata yung table na Filipino. So lahat from other countries, Spain, US, Australia, kami lang yung Philippines representative kaming dalawa. So ayun.
Miss Philippines! Yun, so dalhin nyo sila dito as in sobrang worth it. Yun lang, mainit talaga. Check the temperature right now, it's 38 degrees.
Actually
So,
kanina 39 paglabas namin ng restaurant. Tapos naglakad pa kami
Oo.
doon sa simbahan, San Agustin Church, and then sa tabi noon may mga Mercato Bancheto na area. Diyos ko, nag-iihaw pa 39 degrees.
Oo.
Nakakaloka.
So from Barbaras to our parking, kalahating kilometro on 39 degrees na init.
Yun. So sabi ko, Diyos ko, may stroke na ako.
So come prepared, bring water, magdala kayong tumbler na maraming yelo kasi mainit talaga para hindi matunaw agad yung yelo.
Yes.
And then towel na basa or kasi pa hindi kaya ng wet wipes eh.
Oo, sobrang init pero sobrang worth it naman yung nangyari sa amin.
Yes. And then bring your mga fans and shades. Ayan.
Yan. So ngayon nandito kami sa parking ng Ocean Park. So after ng walking tour dito kami sa Ocean Park, yung makababa kasi nagpapa-cool down pa kami.
Masyado mainit. Pero we'll go down in a bit and then we'll continue this tour. Sobrang saya ng ang ganda ng Manila, guys.
Super. So ang laki na ng improvement ng Metro Manila. So lahat ng foreigners dyan, come to the Philippines!
Sobrang nakaka-proud. I'm proud to be Pinoy.
Yes, I'm proud to be Pinoy as well.
Okay, later.
Later!
And we're here at the Manila Ocean Park.
Hindi ganun karami yung tao ngayon kasi siguro hapon na din.
We got our tickets here. Nasa Apple Wallet namin.
So papasok na kami.
Yep. And you can have your photo taken here. Pero kami hindi na. Huwag na po. Okay lang. Thank you. So yung next part, after no aquarium is Antarctica. Doon kami papunta. Stairs siya talaga, pero may elevator naman. And nag-elevator na kami namin kaya. Kainan dito sa taas. Rice, fried rice. And there's a shark here.
Stingray. Ayan o.
Dito tayo sa malamig. Oops, hindi malamig. So it's a different entrance here, but it's included in the clock package naman. Hindi pa rin malamig. Paano naging Antarctica to? Guys, yung penguins lang yung nalalamigan. Ang saya, oh. Yung sa end ng mga aquarium, of course, is a gift shop. So they have different Ocean Park merch. Actually, mostly stuffed toy. So paglabas ng gift shop, meron ditong Singapore Rice Station. And here is Makan. I celebrated the birthday here, so it's also Singaporean food. So unfortunately, mag-isa na lang ulit ako. Si Tony is super nainitan and nahihilo na siya, so she had to go to the car muna to rest. But tuloy natin to. Nandito na rin tayo. Let's go! And here you have a view of Manila Bay and the port. I used to do rowing when I was in college and dragon boat rowing. Diyan kami row your boat. Hey, let's continue. Meron din dito ang malaking playing area. One child, one guardian, 250 for 1 hour. You have to wear socks, but if you don't have socks, meron naman sila 50 pesos. More food options here after Creepy Crawlies. There's Shanghai Noodle and Porridge, Taiwan Eating House. One is Hapag. There's one more here. There's Slice of Italy. Sobrang init, so bought lemonade here. Thank you. So I got the one with Yakult for 109 pesos. Unfortunately, they only accept cash. Yan. Balik na tayo sa kotse kasi sobra talaga ang init.
Good morning from Manila, Philippines!
Yes, another day, another gala, guys.
Yes, and today nandito tayo sa Dessert Museum. So itutuloy natin ang gala.
Tingnan natin ano meron. The first time namin pareho dito sa Dessert Museum. And we got this tuklok.
And if you want to get a discount, you can use our promo code.
Shop Explorers Club.
Tara na, pasok tayo sa loob.
Let's go. Okay, so we have our vouchers here. Pasok na tayo. Let's go. Ang saya. Let's go up.
Saya?
So when you enter, si Kuya will take your photo. Okay. And yung pong kasama ko, naglaro na. Yun! Yay! Buksan mo.
Kami price.
Ayan.
Yay!
We're in the Mang Inasal room. Daan na kami sa donut room. Ano to? Ah, may nagsasalita. Halo-halo hotline. Explanation nung nandun. Cool. Let's go to yellow beans. Ube. I don't like ube, but let's listen to ube. Galing, ina-explain niya yung mga ingredients. Let's go. Laki ng halo-halo. Sa halo-halo kami. Ano to, yelo kunyari?
Saya nito.
Ikaw na rin yung red. Kainin natin ang ating free Jollibee.
Mauna na ako.
Thank you. So they take your photos in every room.
You can take your photos on every room for 15 minutes. So, nasa third room na kami. Ano yung banana room?
We got our free ice creams.
We got the cotton candy, my favorite.
So unlimited daw siya. Doon kay kuya namin kinuha.
Banana room. Second ice cream, Rocky Road.
Thank you po. So magdadalgona challenge kami.
So, ito yung design, yung pinakamahirap.
Bakit ba naman kami binigyan
Wala
ng
bang triangle ate?
Wala ba straight line lang?
Saka hindi bukas na siya.
Binuksan mo na eh.
Sige, game!
Anong ingredients ng dalgona?
Sugar and baking soda lang po siya.
Hala, ang hirap. Hindi ako. May toothpick dito, pwedeng gamitin.
Hindi ba dinidilaan to? Nakakaloka, ang hirap.
Dinilaan mo na.
Oo. Ang sarap. Parang tira-tira.
Tira-tira. Dapat perdible to, hindi
Yes,
toothpick. Ang hirap ng toothpick.
Kaya,
Kaso po hindi po siya pwede kasi may mga bata.
Baka matusok. Tama ka naman doon.
kakain ko na lang lahat.
Ako din, ayoko na.
Bing! Baral tayo.
Talo kami ba?
Mahay ka sa sugar dito sa Dessert Museum. Ang dami libre. Tuntua. Tuntua yung isang bata dyan, no? Nakasakay ng balls.
Swing mo! Swing ba to?
Oo. Ay, hindi. Parang,
Ganyan lang?
oo,
Okay
ganyan lang. Ayan.
Sa dulo ng museum, there's a souvenir shop where you can buy some candy machines. Yan, may mga candies, mga anik-anik like wallets. They have din pala here co-baking space. So if you have an event, pwede na. So for every room, meron silang 8 rooms.
You can stay for 15 minutes.
Para mag-photo,
Ayoko dun sa
maglaro-laro. And then, for every room din, merong nag-photo. So, may official photographer.
So, 2 shot each room, and then pwede nyo siyang i-avail dito sa dulong-dulo na
Ayan, sa gift shop. Sa,
dulong-dulo na section. Mga souvenir shop din.
and then, it's 250 per photo. So, either you have it printed or digital, it's 250 per shot or per photo. At saya dito, no?
So, recommended siya if you have kids din.
Oo.
Natutuwa sila dito. Ang dami activity.
Mas sugar high lang kayo. Yung mga diabetic,
Or metformin kayo.
I met for it. So we're still here in S. Mason, kung nasan yung Dessert Museum. And we decided to have lunch here.
Dito na kami nag-lunch kasi ayaw na namin lumabas. Sobrang init talaga.
And besides, they have here bistro.
Restaurant.
And meron sila ng promo, like for Watami, it's 300.
95 pesos.
It's already with the
Tray.
and then main, and then drink, kasama na yung iced tea, and then may dessert pa. So, look naman, not bad, di ba?
Boss na yan.
Basta ng isa. Tapos ang sarap pa. And then we just ordered extra nori taco. Thank you. Sarap yun. Sarap ng pagka-spicy niya.
Okay na yan. Okay na to.
Nata favorite ko to dito. Pero ito hindi nakasama. It's an extra order. Ayun lang kami. Okay, so done with lunch here at Watami. Kasi sobrang sulit niya. 375 pala. Pero yung 375, you already have your roll and then yung entree and then may dessert tsaka drink pa. Not bad. By the way, hindi po to sponsored ha. Pero bistro, hindi kami magagalit kung sponsoran niya kami. But this is not sponsored. It's just nakita lang namin talaga na sobrang sulit niya.
So, isa sa mga pwede niyong puntahan dito sa S. Mason is yung Space and Time Cube and eto, Space Arcade.
So, dulo nito yung Dessert Museum. And then, kung wala na kayo ibang gagawin, pwede nyo rin i-try ito. We won't do the Space and Time Cube anymore kasi parang din siyang Team Lab Planets. And besides, meron pa kaming trip mamayang hapon.
Yes.
So, may gagawin pa kami.
Magtita nap. It's a must. Every travel.
No, yun. Tita nap is a must. Let's go!
Let's go. Tara na.
Meron na naman pong nabudol. Ano yan?
Coolhan.
Naka-sale kasi.
Yes.
Sale lang naman, guys.
So, ay, Diyos ko, mga marurupok.
Na centipede. Tara na, balik na tayo sa...
Umalis na tayo dito. Baka kung ano mabudol na naman sa atin.
Let's go. Sarap, huli ka.
Sarap. Ay, dish pa lang din, ha?
Okay, nandito kami sa Makchang in Malate. Kasi trip namin mag-barbecue.
Pero wala na yung favorite namin na gopchang. Yung intestine, wala na daw.
Hindi available yung gusto namin eh. Pero okay lang, we're having beef.
Ayan, thank you.
Thank you. This is Makchang here in Malate. So, yung mga side dishes namin, ayan. Ang tawag dito? Banchan?
Banchan. Banchan.
Hey, thank you po. Yes, sarap. Super authentic niya. Nagpa-practice kami para sa Korea. Para tayo multo dito.
Okay lang.
Ilaw. And we're done with our dinner.
Yes, so naalala ko unang kain namin dito after the pandemic pa. So that was 3 years or 4 years ago pa. So, bumalik kami dito sa Makchang, hoping na makakain kami ng gopchang, which is hindi na available. Pero, highly recommended pa rin sila. Ang sarap ng meat nila.
Yeah, so nagbulgogi kami tapos 2 kinds of meat. Ang bill namin is 2,320. Medyo expensive siya, but you can order naman yung mga less pricey na meat. Meron
Yes.
naman sila.
And hindi sila unlimited ha, a la carte sila.
Tsaka yung isang order is 180 grams yung beef na manipes. So, not bad na rin.
Yes, ang daming banchan, ang sasarap, authentic banchan.
Sobrang sarap niya. As in, feeling mo nasa Korea ka. Natatawa ka ba sa ilaw?
Hindi, may pinagtalunan kami kasi yung kamote.
So, may kinain kami. Para siyang,
Radish.
hindi akala ko singkamas.
Oo.
Tapos parang radish. Tapos kamote pala. So, kamote kami doon.
Nakunahan namin ng ilaw. Pero, masarap siya kasi marinated. Pwede man daw siya kainin talaga ng ilaw.
Oo. So, let's go.
Tara na, uwi na tayo sa hotel! Hello mga chabibi! So today is our last day here in Sukoya Hotel. Tapos na yung Manila tour namin ni Chab Eka.
Diba? Turista sa Maynila. So, diba, kahit taga Manila tayo, maganda pa rin na makita kung ano yung mga meron dito. Kasi I'm sure ang dami sa atin na kagaya namin, hindi na naglilibot sa Manila, pero naglilibot sa iba't ibang bansa. Sobrang actually eye-opener tong experience na to. For me personally, yung takeaway ko dito talaga is ang ganda ng Manila and very ready tayo for tourists.
Ayun, ang sasarap ng pagkain. So, Barbara's. Dapat pupunta kami ng Aristocrat. So, hindi na natuloy. Pero, highly recommended yung Aristocrat.
And ano siya, OG, classic yung kainan ng Aristocrat. And then yung sobrang saya nung tour namin ng Intramuros. We learned so much kahit alam na namin yung history.
And good job kay Kuya Jonathan na tour guide namin. Sobrang galing niya mag-explain
Yes.
ng mga tourist spots in Metro Manila.
Tsaka hindi boring kasi usually history tends to get boring. Pero yung pagkakakwento niya, parang kwento talaga. Parang habang naglalakad kami, nakikipagkwentuhan yung isang kaibigan sa amin tungkol sa mga nangyari dun sa lugar na iniikot namin. So, ang galing, ang ganda nung tour. Tapos, nagpunta rin kami sa Manila Ocean Park. Although, nakapunta na rin kami dun dati. Honestly, if you've already been to other aquariums in, kunyari sa Japan, yung sa Singapore, it's okay to skip Manila Ocean Park. But if it's your first time na makapunta sa isang aquarium, it's still a good place to visit talaga.
So, isa pa sa pinuntahan namin is the Dessert Museum. So, enjoy siya kung may mga kasama kayong bata. Hindi siya gano'ng kalaki. So, 15 minutes kada room. Super enjoy.
And then, sobrang Instagrammable. So, kung mahilig kayo mag-take ng photos para i-post, sobrang good place talaga siya to visit. Pwede kayo mag-photoshoot doon.
Yun. Ano gusto ko doon yung unlimited ice cream. So, ang sasarap ng flavor. So, punta na lang kayo para malaman yung ano yung mga flavor doon.
What's your favorite?
Yung Barbara. Yung culture show ng Barbara. Super
Yes.
favorite ko yun. Parang naiiyak-iyak ako kasi parang, ang galing! Ang galing ng Philippines. Ang galing ng mga Filipinos.
Talaga, sobrang talented. Ako din, actually, same. We just planned to eat at Barbara's. Hindi naman namin alam na may cultural show. Pero, it was really a pleasant surprise.
Tapos may mga harana pa sa inyo before the cultural show. Ang gagaling din nilang kumanta. Halos lahat yata ng request ng mga guests na tugtog nila.
So, going around Manila, meron namang LRT, and then you can use Grab. We checked sa Google Maps, updated siya sa mga, minsan kayo, pwedeng sumakay at saan kayo pwede bumaba na LRT stations and MRT stations. Part ng itinerary din namin was Beyond the Food Crawl. Pero because of the heat, 39 degrees daw the other day, hindi na namin siya muna tinuloy. So, isa pa yung vlog na aabangan nyo.
Yeah, so baka may mga kasama kaming friends sa susunod. Sobrang init sa Metro Manila ngayon as in. So get ready with your water. Ayun, and then mga pamaypay, saka yung shirt nyo dapat ready for the summer.
Yes.
If you like this video, you can follow us on our social media accounts, Facebook, TikTok, and Instagram. And don't forget to comment, like, and
Subscribe!
hanggang sa susunod na gala!
Bye!